What once felt like pure science fiction is rapidly turning into everyday reality as breakthrough technologies reshape what lies ahead at a remarkable pace. Across fields like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, clean energy, robotics, and advanced electronics, engineers and researchers are creating innovations that could change the way we live and work. In this video, we'll dive into 15 incredible future technologies that are pushing the limits of what's possible. From powerful AI infrastructure to next-generation energy systems and groundbreaking computing platforms, these remarkable inventions give us a fascinating glimpse into the technologies that could shape the world of tomorrow. As quantum computing progresses, one of the biggest hurdles is getting different quantum systems to work together smoothly. Cisco's universal quantum switch is built to tackle that problem by linking quantum computers built on different technologies without disturbing their fragile quantum information. Unlike ordinary networking hardware, it can intelligently route quantum data while keeping its quantum state intact. The prototype runs at room temperature using standard telecom fiber and supports several quantum encoding methods through an advanced conversion engine. This approach could make future quantum networks more flexible, scalable, and cross-compatible. Rather than replacing existing quantum computers, the switch helps them communicate as part of a larger connected system. Cisco views this technology as a key step toward building distributed quantum data centers capable of handling far more complex scientific research, industrial applications, and next-generation computing tasks, bringing practical quantum networking much closer to reality. The way people experience digital content is shifting faster than ever, moving beyond flat screens into fully immersive environments. The Amaze 360 degrees dome brings this vision to life by surrounding visitors with stunning visuals and immersive spatial audio from every direction. Rather than simply watching a presentation, audiences become part of the experience as digital scenes unfold across the entire dome. The system is built for entertainment, education, exhibitions, live events, and creative storytelling, offering endless possibilities for customized content. Advanced projection technology creates seamless panoramic imagery, while synchronized sound deepens the feeling of being inside another world. Its flexible design allows installation in both temporary and permanent venues, making it suitable for museums, corporate showcases, and public attractions. As immersive technology keeps evolving, the Amaze 360 degrees dome shows how interactive environments can redefine visual storytelling, creating unforgettable experiences that spark curiosity, imagination, and deeper audience engagement across countless applications. Building the world's most advanced computer chips takes far more than powerful manufacturing machines. ASML's holistic lithography brings multiple technologies together into one intelligent production system that boosts both precision and efficiency. Instead of treating each manufacturing stage separately, it continuously analyzes the whole process to catch tiny variations and make real-time adjustments before defects appear. Advanced computational models help predict how light, masks, and materials interact during chip production, while metrology and inspection tools measure patterns with incredible nanometer-level accuracy. This constant feedback loop lets manufacturers improve production quality and boost the number of usable chips from every wafer. The system also supports cutting-edge EUV and high-NA lithography technologies used for next-generation processors, AI hardware, and advanced memory chips. Rather than depending on a single breakthrough, holistic lithography shows how combining software, precision measurement, and advanced manufacturing paves a path toward producing faster, smaller, and more powerful semiconductors for the future. Harnessing the power of fusion could reshape the future of global electricity production, and Commonwealth Fusion Systems is working to turn that vision into reality. Founded to commercialize fusion technology developed alongside MIT, the company is building compact tokamak reactors powered by advanced high-temperature superconducting magnets. These powerful magnets generate stronger magnetic fields, allowing fusion reactors to become smaller, more efficient, and more practical for large-scale energy production. Its flagship project, SPARC, is designed to demonstrate net fusion energy by producing more power than it consumes, marking a major milestone in fusion research. SPARC also lays the foundation for ARC, a planned commercial fusion power plant expected to deliver reliable zero-carbon electricity to the grid. By combining decades of scientific research with modern engineering and advanced manufacturing, Commonwealth Fusion Systems is speeding up the path toward commercial fusion energy. The technology could play a major role in advancing reliable, low-carbon energy production worldwide. Modern air combat is evolving past traditional fighter aircraft, with artificial intelligence taking on a growing role on the battlefield. Shield AI's XBAT is an advanced unmanned aircraft that combines vertical takeoff and landing capability with long-range performance and autonomous flight. Unlike conventional jets that need long runways, XBAT can operate from ships, remote locations, and forward bases, giving military forces greater flexibility during missions. Powered by Shield AI's HiveMind autonomous system, it's designed to keep operating even in GPS-denied or communications-jammed environments. The aircraft can support a range of missions, including air-to-air operations, precision strikes, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. Its compact design allows more aircraft to deploy in limited spaces while reducing logistical demands. By combining AI-driven decision-making, advanced sensors, and runway-independent operations, XBAT represents a new generation of autonomous military aviation built to meet the challenges of future combat environments with greater adaptability and operational efficiency. Developing advanced nuclear reactors requires extensive testing before they can safely generate electricity. UltraSafe Nuclear is taking this approach with its UltraSafe Critical Test Reactor, a zero-power system built to validate reactor physics and control systems under real operating conditions. Rather than producing electricity, the reactor lets engineers study neutron behavior, fuel performance, and safety systems while minimizing technical risks. The insights gained from these tests support the development of the UltraSafe Reactor, an advanced design meant to deliver reliable carbon-free electricity for energy-intensive applications. Multiple units can eventually combine into larger power systems capable of supplying dependable energy to facilities such as AI data centers. By focusing on standardized reactor modules, rapid manufacturing, and continuous testing, UltraSafe aims to simplify deployment while boosting reliability. This step-by-step engineering strategy shows how careful validation and modern manufacturing techniques are helping speed up the development of compact nuclear reactors for tomorrow's growing energy needs. Artificial intelligence is becoming a core part of modern computing, and Intel's Panther Lake processors are built to support this new generation of AI-powered devices. Manufactured using Intel's advanced 18A process technology, Panther Lake combines improved performance, greater energy efficiency, and enhanced graphics in a single platform. Its updated architecture features powerful CPU cores, integrated Intel Arc graphics, and a dedicated neural processing unit that work together to accelerate AI workloads directly on the device. This balanced design enables faster content creation, smarter productivity tools, and smoother gaming experiences without leaning heavily on cloud computing. Panther Lake is built for consumer laptops, business PCs, edge computing, and future AI applications, including robotics and intelligent automation. By pairing advanced chip design with next-generation manufacturing, Intel is preparing computers for increasingly demanding AI tasks. Panther Lake shows how future PCs will become faster, more efficient, and capable of handling intelligent applications across everyday work and creative environments. Battery technology is evolving quickly, and CATL's sodium-ion battery introduces a promising alternative to traditional lithium-ion systems. Designed for mass production, Naxtra uses abundant sodium instead of lithium, helping cut reliance on limited raw materials while supporting a more stable supply chain. The battery delivers strong performance across extreme temperatures, maintaining solid output even in freezing conditions where many conventional batteries struggle. Its advanced design also prioritizes safety, durability, and long service life, making it suitable for electric vehicles as well as commercial transportation. Beyond passenger EV applications, CATL has developed a sodium-ion start-stop battery for heavy-duty trucks operating in demanding environments. By overcoming the challenges of large-scale manufacturing, the company has turned sodium-ion technology from a research concept into a commercially viable product. Naxtra shows how new battery chemistries can expand future energy storage options while supporting cleaner transportation and more reliable electric mobility around the world. Advances in wellness technology are opening new ways to support everyday mental performance without invasive procedures. Quantinuum is a wearable device that uses transcranial photobiomodulation, delivering carefully controlled near-infrared light to the head during short daily sessions. The technology is designed to support the brain's natural energy processes and promote focus, relaxation, mental clarity, and healthier sleep habits. Using 810 nanometer near-infrared light, the device draws on research exploring how specific wavelengths interact with brain cells and their energy production. Quantinuum is meant as a wellness tool rather than a medical treatment, making it easy to fold into a regular self-care routine. Its lightweight design lets users complete sessions at home without complicated equipment or lengthy preparation. By combining neuroscience-inspired research with practical wearable technology, Quantinuum highlights how light-based innovation is expanding the future of personal wellness and opening new ways to support cognitive performance and everyday mental well-being naturally. As artificial intelligence grows more powerful, the systems supporting it must also become smarter and more efficient. NVIDIA DSX is an integrated platform designed to help organizations build and manage large-scale AI factories from planning to daily operation. Rather than focusing only on powerful processors, DSX brings together accelerated computing, high-speed networking, software, cooling, power management, and facility infrastructure into one unified solution. The platform also includes intelligent tools that optimize energy usage, simplify system management, and improve overall operational efficiency. Using digital twin technology, engineers can simulate and refine AI facilities before construction begins, cutting costs and speeding up deployment. Unlike traditional data centers built mainly for storage and general computing, AI factories are specifically designed to process enormous AI workloads at scale. By coordinating every layer of the infrastructure, NVIDIA DSX offers a flexible foundation for future AI development, helping organizations deliver faster performance, improved efficiency, and reliable computing power for next-generation artificial intelligence applications. Producing fusion energy requires heating plasma to extraordinary temperatures, and Proxima Fusion is developing advanced microwave technology to reach that goal. Working with leading research and engineering partners, the company is creating high-powered gyrotron systems that transfer electromagnetic energy into plasma with exceptional precision. These microwave heating systems are designed to help maintain the extreme conditions needed for stable, continuous fusion reactions. The technology supports Proxima Fusion's innovative Stellarator program, which builds on decades of scientific research into efficient plasma confinement. Alongside advanced superconducting magnets and computational engineering, microwave heating plays a vital role in improving reactor performance and reliability. The company plans to apply these technologies in future demonstration reactors before moving toward commercial fusion power plants. By combining multiple cutting-edge innovations into a single development strategy, Proxima Fusion is helping move Stellarator-based fusion closer to practical energy production, offering a promising path toward reliable carbon-free electricity for future generations and sustainable power systems. Quantum computing is moving steadily toward practical real-world applications, and Quantinuum's H-series is built to support that shift. Built on advanced trapped ion technology, the system pairs high-performance quantum hardware with powerful software to improve accuracy, reliability, and scalability. H-series features fully connected qubits that enable flexible quantum operations, while advanced error correction helps cut down the computational mistakes that have challenged earlier quantum computers. The platform also integrates high-performance classical computing, letting quantum and conventional processors work together on complex tasks. A modern programming environment makes it easier for researchers and businesses to develop hybrid quantum applications across industries such as pharmaceuticals, finance, artificial intelligence, and advanced materials. Available through both cloud services and on-premises deployment, Helios gives organizations greater flexibility for quantum research and development. By combining innovative hardware, intelligent software, and high computational precision, Quantinuum Helios marks another important step toward the future of practical quantum computing and scientific discovery. As artificial intelligence models keep growing in size and complexity, computing platforms must deliver unprecedented levels of performance. NVIDIA Blackwell NVL72 is a rack-scale AI supercomputer built to meet these demanding workloads by combining dozens of powerful GPUs and Grace CPUs into one tightly integrated system. High-speed NVLink technology lets the processors communicate efficiently, allowing the platform to function as a unified accelerator for large-scale AI training and inference. The system also features advanced liquid cooling, high-bandwidth memory, and intelligent networking to maximize performance while improving energy efficiency. Built for AI factories and enterprise computing, NVL72 supports generative AI, advanced reasoning, scientific research, and other data-intensive applications that demand enormous computational power. Its scalable architecture lets organizations expand from a single system to massive AI infrastructure with greater flexibility. NVIDIA Blackwell NVL72 shows how next-generation computing platforms are being built to power the future of artificial intelligence and large-scale innovation. Power outages and off-grid living have driven up demand for reliable portable energy solutions. The EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 is a high-capacity power station designed to provide dependable electricity for homes, outdoor activities, emergency backup, and professional work sites. Equipped with a long-lasting lithium iron phosphate battery, it delivers enough power to run household appliances, tools, and electronic devices with ease. Fast-charging technology lets the battery recharge quickly, while multiple charging options, including AC power, solar panels, vehicle charging, and generators, offer greater flexibility across different environments. The system can also be expanded with additional battery units to increase overall energy storage for extended use. Quiet operation and smart connectivity through a mobile app make monitoring and managing power simple and convenient. Combining high output, durable battery technology, and renewable energy compatibility, the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 represents a practical step toward greater energy independence and reliable portable power for modern lifestyles. Home robots are becoming more practical, and Isaac One from Weave Robotics is designed to help with everyday household chores rather than performing complex human-like tasks. The robot focuses on laundry management and home organization, helping collect dirty clothes, fold laundry, and return items to their proper places. It can also make beds, straighten blankets and pillows, and tidy common living areas to keep the home organized. Isaac One features a soft exterior wrapped around a durable internal frame, making it better suited for residential environments while enhancing safety during daily use. Its adjustable body lets it reach higher areas when needed, and lower itself when idle to stay unobtrusive. Operating mainly through autonomous navigation, the robot can also receive remote assistance for more challenging situations. With battery-powered operation, wireless connectivity, and regular software updates, Isaac One shows how intelligent home robotics is evolving into a practical solution for simplifying everyday household routines and cutting down on repetitive chores.